Umentri Rangba Kamigilaya Conrad Kisangma Ringkat Bulunong Rakliang ke Japan India Satoshi Suzuki Mentakas ngi kila play katamasa Cherry Blossom Festival Arjar Arpway Howards Lake Shillong. Yau Satoshi Suzuki lawan dia senran da kakuram jong u ringkat pat kakunhun kinong Japan. Habakran ha kate katamasa Umentri Rangba kajala ulupan pau ya kajinkman balala ban penong biang ya Cherry Blossom Festival mendausnam. Ulo angru bakani katamasa kan plilat lot ya baro kam tami gitu ki brio ki ba angnot ban pen orlong ya ki jingtmu jongki bat kumju ban kente ya kapot katam karwai kasiau art bat lariti
is what we have really been trying to do, which is to really promote different aspects of music, of art, of culture, and for the authors, this literary festival. And we strongly feel that the youth, especially of our state and a region of the Northeast, has a huge bank of talent that they have. And it's just about giving them an opportunity to come together, to showcase their talent, and also give them an opportunity to learn from others and really create that excitement among the different artists and writers and authors. And that's why this particular event is part of the entire vision and goal to really showcase this talent of the youth that we have. And we strongly feel that more of these programs should happen. In the coming months, you'll be happy to know that we will be having and engaging with the musicians of our state for the first time in a very constructive manner, where the government plans to have different kind of music events throughout the next 3-4 months and have different locations where music will be played by our own artists through the support of the government, of course, and throughout Shillong city and cities like Tura and some other locations. We will have our local artists. So some of them will be in Watts Lake out here, some may be in Police Bazaar area, similarly in other locations, maybe in Cherrapunji side, Sora side. So we plan to engage with the artists and the musicians of our state and allow them the platform, give them the financial support, allow them to perform, allow the people to enjoy it, and at the same time to engage with these artists so that they feel that this could be an area which they could really prosper in one way and look at it even as a career option. And that's why we are also focusing on creating entrepreneurs out of these artists. So therefore, it's very important for us as a government and as a society to connect the talent that our people have with the aspect of entrepreneurship. So we need music entrepreneurs, we need literary entrepreneurs, we need artist entrepreneurs, because unless we are not able to commercialize it.
Habakran hakategasngi Satoshi Suzuki ulaong baka Cherry Blossom Festival kan te song ekipat ba nong song snong jong ka Japan bat India. Ulapan paru ya ka jingdon kam bandon ki exchange program hapleng jong kini ki ar teli kiri.
Promising young leaders from the northeastern region of India, including Meghalaya, to Japan, and what we call IRIS program. Also, from this November, Indian students have resumed traveling to Japan under Japanese government scholarship program. Coincidentally, one of the 5 sakura trees designated as special natural treasures by the government of Japan is growing near Mount Fuji in Shizuoka Prefecture, which is my hometown. To my surprise, this sakura tree has been there for 800 years. So I wish that this cherry blossoms in Shillong will be existing that long. It would be very great if the young people of Meghalaya who go to Japan in the future through such a program could find a time to visit my hometown and witness this famous sakura tree when it is in full bloom. Honorable Chief Minister, now allow me to mention the importance of the northeastern region of India for Japan. The northeast of India has potential to bloom brilliantly like the cherry blossoms here, and its development would have positive ramifications for a wider region. As a matter of fact, the northeast enjoys a strategic location that is key to the realization of free, open, and inclusive Indo-Pacific. This is one of the reasons why Japan attaches great importance to the development of this Northeast. I co-hosted the 5th round of meeting of so-called ACT East Forum together with
your land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim, but I know every rock and tree and creature has a